Guys, let's get this party started. I'm excited. Naked Honey, so pretty. I'm gonna be doing a halo eye today because why not? I haven't done one in quite a long time. And I'm going to start off by taking Swarm, which is a really pretty, like medium, like blendy shade. So that's what I'm gonna use it for today, my blending transition color. Let's move in to the second shade that I'm going to be using. It's called Keeper. It's like a darker, just like a little bit of a darker shade than the first color that I used. And this is also going in the crease. And then I'm also taking it in the inner corner and also the outer corner. I'm starting to create that halo effect. I like the halo eyeshadow look. I think it's really pretty. Sometimes I don't want to do one because I feel like with a halo eyeshadow, like I have to use eyeliner. I feel like it just looks 10 times better with eyeliner. And like I only do eyeliner when I'm really feeling it, you know, like today. But for the most part, I'm like, no eyeliner, please. Please, please. I'm not a pro at eyeliner. I do it and most of the time it looks good, but for the most part, I just don't like how long it takes me, you know? If I was a pro, maybe it'd be a different story, but takes me forever, so I try not to do it all the time. So I think this color is good. Hopefully my exposure is okay. Like when I'm sitting here and filming, I'm like, oh, that's too dark. But then when I'm on my laptop editing, I'm like, damn, it's too bright. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Now I'm gonna go into Hive, which is like a, I don't know, like a kind of yellowy brown. I know that might sound weird, but it's really pretty, great for a transition-y crease color. So I'm picking that up with a Sigma E25. Same thing, crease the outer corner and inner corner. I have not used an Urban Decay eyeshadow palette in, like I do love the Naked 3 and I do use that a lot, but I just haven't picked it up recently. I've been using like the Too Faced palettes. Chocolate Bar, Sweet Peach. I just did a Sweet Peach tutorial, so if you guys missed it, I will link it in up here. I think it's on this side. I don't know. So yeah, I kind of forgot how their eyeshadows were. I like their quality. I think they're nice. They're easy to use. I go into Queen, and this is going in the outer portion and in the inner portion of the lid. Two of my Naked palette tutorials, I think it's like Naked 1 and Naked 2 maybe, I'm not sure. But both of those have over 1 million views, and I'm just like, it can't be any other two videos. Like those videos are so old and I'm like such a baby. And I'm just like, God, and I don't want to get rid of them because it seems like it actually helps people, you know? Like people still watch it. I still get comments on those videos till this day. So I'm just like, I can't get rid of it, but I hate myself, and not hate myself, but you know what I mean? I don't know, I'm just like a little baby. I'm like explaining things and it's just a really old video, guys. You know what I mean? But what am I gonna do? I'm keeping them up. People can make fun of me, even though nobody really does. I think it's all just in my head, if I'm being honest. But yeah, I used to do so many Naked palette tutorials, guys. I have so many. This color kind of gets a little muddy, if I'm being honest. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. It could be me. I'm not perfect. I'm not a makeup artist, but this kind of looks a little muddy. My eyeshadow tutorials, they look horrible before they look good. You know what I mean? And I'm sure you're like, I don't know what this girl is doing. Does she know what she's doing? So now I'm going to deepen it up a little with Sting. It's just this matte brown. And I'm putting it in the outer portion and the inner portion, just to deepen it up a little. And it's a matte shade, so I'm hoping it'll bring everything together. I know I look crazy. I'm just going to blend everything out with the E25, and I promise it'll look better. I hope. If I'm being honest with you guys, oh my God, I look scary. This is not a Halloween tutorial, guys. This is a regular eyeshadow tutorial. If I'm being honest, When Urban Decay first came out with this, I was like, oh, it looks pretty, don't get me wrong, but I wasn't gonna buy it, you know? You guys know I'm on a budget, like I don't want to spend a ton of money on makeup. And it looked pretty, but it just wasn't a palette that I was like, oh, you know? And then Emily Noel posted a video about this palette, and I was like, I gotta buy it. So this is Emily Noel's fault. All her fault as to why I bought this palette. Sorry, I'm taking Serum and blending out the edges. And then I'm going to hope that this look comes together. So I'm going to take the Wet n Wild setting spray. I ran out of the Fix Plus by MAC. So this one is good too. I don't know why I'm complaining. But I'm going to take this Sonia Kashuk shader brush, wet it up a little bit, and then in the inner portions, I'm going to be taking Honey. Really, really pretty, like greenish gold, you know, yellow, green, gold. Ooh! So pretty, so pretty. Wow, 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 wow. Should I zoom you guys in? Dang, this color looks so good. Wow, that looks really pretty. Am I right? Can you guys see? I'm gonna take the E36, fluff it in. What the heck does that mean? Just blend out the edges. I don't want this glitter in the middle, not glitter, but like shimmer to be all over my eye, you know? So I'm just taking this little thin brush, picking up Sting, which is that dark brown, and just making sure these two colors really blend in with each other. And while keeping this halo look, you know what I mean? Before I go into concealer, I'm going to highlight underneath my brow with Flyby, which is a really pretty cream shade. You know, I love cream shades in palettes because I love to highlight with them. So when I saw that, I was like, perfect. It does have a little shimmer though. It is pretty shimmery actually. I'm gonna quickly do my concealer. I'm using the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. Just blending everything out really quickly. And then I'm gonna do eyeliner. I really like this, guys. I feel like it's different. I don't think I've done anything like this before. Like with these two colors. Alright guys, eyeliner is on. Not perfect, but good enough, good enough. I'm setting my under eyes with the Too Faced Ethereal setting powder as usual. So to the lower lash line, I'm going to line the outer portions with Sting, which is that dark matte brown. I'm using my favorite eyeliner brush. It's the Flat Definer E15 by Sigma. And then for the inner portion, I'm taking Honey, which is that beautiful yellowy green. And then to blend everything out, I'm just going to take Swarm, which is the first shade that I used, and run it across my lower lash line. I'm going to put on some false lashes. I'm doing the 110s by Ardell, and then I will be right back. I'm also going to be using mascara to blend my real lashes with my false ones, and putting some on my lower lashes. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really like the way it turned out, and I think this honey color that I have right in the middle of my eyelids is just so pretty and unique. It's like that greeny, yellowy gold. So I really enjoyed this palette. I think it's simple, yet you can get a little creative with it too, and I really like it. I really like that about this palette. So I am more than satisfied with this. I think it was worth my boyfriend's money. I really do, and I love the way the eyeshadows blended out. I think they have good pigment. I'm really impressed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, let me know what kind of videos you would like to see next from me. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.